Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. First, open the Instagram app. Tap your profile picture. This will be in the bottom right corner. And tap three lines. You can find this in the top right corner. On the settings and privacy, tap Account Center. You can find this at the top of the page. Then, tap Personal Details. This will be underneath Accounts. Then, tap Account Ownership and Control. You can find this underneath your birthday. And tap Deactivation or Deletion. This should be the only option on the page. If you don't see this option, you'll need to use a web browser instead. And tap your Instagram account. If you have multiple accounts linked to your Instagram app, tap the account you want to deactivate. Then, tap Continue. The bubble should be filled in next to deactivate account by default. If it isn't, tap it to select it. And enter your password. To confirm the deactivation, you'll need to provide your password. If you don't remember your password, you'll need to reset it first. And select a reason and tap Continue. You'll need to tap a reason for deactivating. If you don't want to choose one, you can tap something else. And last, tap Deactivate Account. This will confirm your decision. Your Instagram account will be deactivated and you will be signed out of Instagram on all of your linked devices. To reactivate your account, log in to your account again. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.